How to change Epic Games email without verification. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Epic Games. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now once the page is loaded, scroll down. Now open up Epic Games Home. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the three lines. Now tap on the user icon and log in into your account. Now once you log in, scroll down and tap on account. Now next to your email address, simply tap on the edit icon. Now enter your new email address. Now tap on continue. Now wait for some time. As you can see, it's not possible to change email address without verification from the previous email. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.